Thanks for joining. If you are a mariner looking for procedures about how to send out a weather observation from your ship, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in TurboWind with APR unchecked. So if your APR is checked, you're going to need to start by doing that. Uncheck it, and then you should be sitting with everything blank, just like we look right here. So let's get into this. To get your manual observation out, very quick process, starting with position. Since some of you are getting no GPS, I did want to show that even with hand jamming this in, this is still a relatively quick process to knock out. So I wanted to enter it in by hand, just like you would be doing if you didn't get GPS. If you did get GPS, that'll be entered for you, by the way, and your course and speed, as long as the barometer's been hooked up for at least 3 hours. Click OK, and there's that. So now the rest of this is going to be really quick. Your barometer coming straight from the sensor, correction that would have already been entered there. For most of you, it's probably going to be 0, and then enter in your draft. For this example, I'm using 10 meters. Pressure tendency and change is going to be straight from the sensor. Air temperature, wet bulb, relative humidity computation. You can throw your C temp in here if you'd like, since you're there. And then lastly, if you wanted to add winds really quickly, let's go ahead and do that. Click OK. And this thing's about ready to go. Let's just get one more piece of the puzzle for the forecasters. Really like getting some wave heights whenever we can. So 2 meters there. Now it's ready to go. So in 1 minute and 31 seconds, we're able to get that observation ready to send. And now we're going to output obs by email. If you get that message, it's just verifying that you want to send it for that time. Just click yes. Automatically opens up your email client. You'll get the shipobs@noaa.gov instead of my address there. You'll get the subject line is probably ship observations, and then you'll get the BBXX coded weather message dropped into the body of the email, and that's ready to send. Go ahead and send it. Done. And once you send it, notice back in TurboWind, everything is blanked out and it's ready to go for the next report. So that's it in 2 minutes, and that's from start to finish, going through and populating everything, hand jamming a few of the parameters that we needed to, and sending it out. All can be done in less than 2 minutes. So I hope this helps, and again, we thank you for the efforts to get the observations out, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions if you have them. Thanks. Be safe.